Welcome back to STEM with Storm. In the last video, you learned what an industrial engineer is. Remember that an industrial engineer is someone who improves processes in order to save time, energy, and money, just like Henry Ford. But there are many other types of engineers. Today we're going to learn about another engineer, an electrical engineer, and how power is generated and released. Electrical engineers are people who create energy, study power, and build electronic devices to make life easier. Electrical engineers work with a three-step process to create energy in order for us to use it. Step 1. Generating power. Step 2. Storing or transferring power. And Step 3. Releasing power. Generating power means to make or create. Power is generated when energy is transferred from one thing to the next, such as with air pushing a wind turbine.
You can use physical energy to create electrical energy. Here we have Storm with a balloon who's going to rub it on our student's head. That allows for this electrical charge to try and travel the shortest distance between the surface and its conductor. Unlike an electrical wire, it's trying to create that distance between her hair and the balloon. Storm will lift up, and do you see how it is trying to travel the shortest distance?
Step 2 is storing or holding power. Power is generated, then it can be stored and used like in a battery.
Power can be created and stored. Our student Julia here is creating the power by blowing up the balloon. She can store it in the balloon for as long as she likes, until she's ready to release it and use it.
After power is generated and stored, it's eventually released. This is step 3 of the process for creating energy. When power is released, the energy allows for things to turn on, such as flipping the light switch to turn on the lights in a room.
All right, class, I think it's time to stand up and dance. Let's do some snakes. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, snake. 3, 4, 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what do you think about the Macarena? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5. Head, waist, hips, and shake it out. One last thing, let's do some step touches. Ready? 5, 6, 7, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, everybody.
We're here today to demonstrate the three-step process of power electrical generation. First, Storm is going to pedal the bicycle, generating the power. It'll travel through a wire, just like the power lines when electricity travels to your home. And then lastly, it will light up a light, just like the light or the devices in your home. So Storm, let's pedal that bike and see if we can generate enough power to light up that light. Good job, Storm.
Today's big idea. Electrical engineers are people who create energy, study power, and build electronic devices to make life easier. Electrical engineers work with a three-step process to create energy in order for us to use it. Step 1, generating power. Step 2, storing or transferring power. And Step 3, releasing power.
You can be an electrical engineer too. When you are at home, work on a plan to conserve energy in your home and why that's important. Share your plan with your family members so everyone can help save energy and money in your home.